Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for Solving the Recorder Mystery, Mission 9, Decoding Low and High C. In Mission 9, we have 3 assignments. Assignment number 1, learn the fingering for low and high C. Assignment number 2, learn how to read and play low and high C on the music staff. And assignment number 3, learn the differences between low and high C. If you're still having a hard time remembering which hand goes on top, I would suggest putting an L and an R on your hands, or today I'm just going to mark the hand that goes on the top, the one close to my mouth, which is my left hand. So I'm going to put a little stamp right here. Ta-da! Also, remember, if you're squeaking, especially on the low C today, there are 2 hints. 1, blow softer air like you're trying to fog up a window like this. Really gentle, really warm air. And the second hint, make sure that you are covering the holes completely. Tricks to do that is you push your fingers down flat, kind of like pancakes. Make sure that they're not like arched up. Okay, so flat, and use the fingerprint part of your hand, and that will help you out too. And now, Mission 9, Decoding Low and High C. First, for assignment number 1, let's learn the fingerings for low C and high C. The fingering for low C is T, 1, 2, 3, no pinky, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you do it on your recorder, it'll be T, 1, 2, 3, and then pinky up, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you write the fingering for low C, you're going to write T, 1, 2, 3, dot, 4, 5, 6, 7, because that shows when you switch from your left hand to your right hand. Now it's time for a little bit of practice. So I'll play a pattern with low C and then you copy off of me. Now because I'm using both hands, this is how I will show you when it's my turn and when it's yours. I'll play when it's my turn, and then when it's your turn, I'll go like this. Low C likes to squeak. It was the note when I was little that made me so mad. So if you're squeaking on this one, don't give up. You just keep trying and keep training your fingers and you'll get it. My turn first. Now the second half of assignment number 1 is so much easier. It's the fingering for high C. So the only tricky thing you need to know about that is that you are going to have your first finger sticking up and your second finger on the hole plus your thumb. So the fingering is T, 2. So you do T and 2. Make sure that you don't try to put your first finger on your second hole because that's wrong. You have to put your second finger on the second hole because that's his assignment. Now it's time to practice some high C. I'll go first and then I'll go like this when it's your turn. Assignment number 2, learn how to read and play low C and high C on the music staff. First, let's learn how to read low C. Low C lives on the ledger line below the staff. So you have your 5-line music staff, and then below that there's another line. Low C is that line note down there. Because it looks low, it sounds low. If you see a note head living on the ledger line below the music staff, then you are going to finger it T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it will sound low. High C on the recorder is the third space, 1, 2, 3. so it looks high and it sounds high. If you see a note head in space 3, you will do fingering T2. And when you play it, it will sound like high C. Now let's play some written rhythms. If you need a bigger challenge, go to the end of the video and I won't play them with you and there won't be a fingering chart and you can try to read them on your own. So echo after me. Assignment number 3, learn the differences between low C and high C. First, let's look at the look and the sound of low C and high C. Low C looks low and it sounds low. High C looks high and it sounds high. It's logical. Low C looks low on the recorder. See, it's all the way down at the very bottom of the recorder. And high C looks high on the recorder because it's only up here. Now let's discuss the science of the differences between low C and high C. Low C and high C are 1 octave apart. An octave is an interval between 2 notes that have the same letter name. We call it an octave because oct means 8. And if you count from low C to high C with the musical alphabet, it will equal 8. See, watch. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. 8. Octave. So scientifically, what makes an octave? Well, the sound waves for high C have twice the frequency as the sound waves for low C. This basically means that the sound waves for low C and high C have the exact same height, but high C is going to have twice as many waves. They're going to be more squished together than low C. So imagine that the blue line is low C. If I add the green line, you can see that high C has twice as many waves in it. Now let's read and play low C and high C. I'm going to alternate between the 2 pitches, so if you need a bigger challenge, don't look at me while I'm playing. Look at the music instead. Hey teachers, if you are looking for the ad-free, promo-free, downloadable version of this video, plus the graphics that I use when I'm teaching in my classroom, and a 1-page assessment, then check out the link in the description below. Once you can read and play low C and high C, congratulations, you've completed mission 9! Thank you for watching. Check out my music minutes and my recorder videos. Subscribe to my channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend.